Hey gang, today I'm going to try to develop DIY in-house Tri-X Super 8 Kodak film using one of these tanks. I think this is a Soviet clone of the Morse G3 canister. I only say that because there is no Morse labeling on any of this, but it does say G3, which is kind of funny. So this, you can develop 8mm and also 16mm film. And it's a pretty convenient thing. I picked up on eBay like a year ago, or actually way longer than that, now I'm thinking about it. But anywho, so we're going to develop exposed film onto this that was captured on this at 24 frames. See how it goes. That took way too long. Alright. So just washing this out with, rinsing it with water before running it. Oh boy. If that knob doesn't start spinning soon, we're in trouble. And I think we're in trouble. Means either the Super 8 broke or the thing got out of its placement. Film broke in the tank. I had to throw it back in the dark bag and staple it together. So we'll see what comes out of this. So gotta do this for about 16 minutes, 17 minutes. So this is a lot easier to do with 16mm film or regular double-8 or single perf 8 or whatever it is, simply because on the daylight spool you can actually put it in the tank and capture it on one of these reels. You can't really do that with Super 8. Super 8's got a weird system mechanism thing which doesn't allow it. So it's an absolute nightmare. So if you're going to do this with double-8 or 16mm. I'm going to try it on 16mm next time. Should be a lot easier. Okay, got the chemistry out. I lost half. All right. So now we can expose this to light. And the $1,000,000 question is there's images. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is images. It did work. Put some photo flow on it in a little bit. So I did develop it. I'm very excited to see what this looks like. All right, gang, I'll show you once it's hung up and drying. Let's see. There is footage. So, pretty excited about it. So we'll see how it goes.